Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ocean Credit Academy's Sea Scouts and Guides. Myself, Gopi Shetty, Commandant of Ocean Credit Academy's Sea Scouts and Guides. Today is the World Amateur Radio Day, or you can call it as a World Ham Radio Day. You are well aware of radios, and I myself, I am licensed wireless operator, and my call sign is Victor Uniform number 2 Juliet Golf Alpha. What is ham radio and ham radio operator? Basically, ham radio operator plays an important role during disasters and national emergencies like earthquake, tsunami, cyclone, floods and bomb blasts by providing emergency communication in the affected area. How to become a ham radio operator? To become a ham radio operator, you have to appear for an exam which is conducted by Wireless and Planning Coordination Department, Government of India. The minimum requirements are your age should be above 12 years. Either male, female, boy, girl or adult. Anyone can become a ham radio operator. For that, you have to appear for an exam. In exams also, there are two types of exam. First is restricted grade and second is general grade. So, what is the difference between restricted grade and general grade? For restricted grade, the output power which you can apply is maximum 100 watts. And for general grade, you can use up to 400 watts. And the difference of exam is, for restricted grade, there is only theory exam. And for general grade, you have to appear for a theory exam as well as practical exam, that is Morse code. You need to clear or you need to send or receive, minimum requirement is 6 to 8 words. So this is did and this is da. So by using did and da, you have to send the message and you have to receive the message also. You should be able to copy what the message is sent by using Morse key. For example, this is a CQ call. So this they will send the message and you have to copy it. If you are successfully copying those messages and if you are able to send the message by using Morse key, you can clear the general grade exam also. And I will tell you some other benefits. One of the benefit is it is an hobby. So there are many types of hobbies. So ham radio, it's also an hobby. Secondly, you can communicate to any corner of the world. From India to Australia, Switzerland or anywhere you can communicate by using this ham radio techniques. And one more thing is your communication skill is developed. By this you develop your way of transmitting messages, communicating to various people from various countries, and Government of India also allows you to do research on ham radio, research on radio frequencies, research on antennas. So this is a hobby where you have to develop yourself. You are free to do any kind of experiment in the field of ham radios. And one more benefit is that for this, to communicate, no need to recharge every month like mobile phones. Like if you are using a mobile phone, so every month or every 3 months, yearly, quarterly, as ever like plans you are following, you have to recharge it by paying money. So in this field, once you have got the license, so no need to pay for the recharges and all. Only thing you have to do is, after completing the period of 20 years or the lifetime, whatever license you have been opted for, you have to just renew it. In front of me you can see I have got some base stations. This is called walkie-talkie. You might have seen the police department using it. So with this you can communicate in the local areas. Like in this handy or walkie-talkie, you have two frequencies. One is VHF and second is UHF, very high frequency and ultra high frequency. So as we have tested in VHF, we can communicate around 10 to 20 kilometers, and on UHF we have covered up to 40 kilometers. And if you put an external antenna, you can easily cover up to 100 kilometers also. And if you are able to use one more technique, that is satellite communication, you can communicate to another part of the world also. Second, I have two base stations. This was for VHF and UHF, and this is for high frequency HF. Let's see if it is someone is on air or not.
My name is Mapka. Okay, so he also will be appearing for Metro Radio exam.
So you can see it is working, and the frequency is 7065 megahertz. So already communication is going on, right friends? And we can attach this Morse key to this base station, and we can communicate to the part of the world where our voice frequencies are not going. For example, if I am using this PTT and trying to communicate with some person, and if I am not able to, so I can use this Morse key also. With minimum power, I can go up to the maximum distance by using this Morse key. Welcome to our Ham 1480. You all are welcome to give exams, and if you want to appear for the exam, you are welcome to contact me. And friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So be safe, stay at home and be healthy. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.